Hi, my name's Dan. I bought this Chibson Les Paul from AliExpress just almost a year ago. I did an unboxing video and I never did a sound test video, so this is my quick little sound test. The only thing I did to this was change the strings because they were crap. And here, this is the sound right here. We'll start with the pickup, bridge pickup. Neck pickup. Both pickups. So yeah, this isn't going to be a very long video. I just basically wanted to let you guys hear what this sounded like basically right out of the box and with just brand new springs. Nothing on it but new strings, and didn't even have to really do a setup. So well, that's pretty much the sound test. So just want to let you guys know that I ordered a whole bunch of new parts, so everything's going to be stripped off of this. Pickups, all the plastic, all the hardware, all new tuning pegs, and I'll pretty much going to be customizing this myself. I'll let you guys know how it turns out. I'll show you a new video. Take care, everybody. Have a good one.